Hello everyone, this is about the compound angle and double angle formula derivation. So we can draw this kind of triangle. The blue triangle, angle alpha, sides A, B, C. The green triangle, angle beta, sides C, D, E. And the red triangle, the angle is also alpha, because if this is alpha, this is 90 degrees, this must be 90 minus alpha, and this is horizontal, this is vertical, so 90 degrees minus 90 and minus 90 degrees, this is also alpha, this is 90 minus alpha, and this is again alpha. Sides G, D, F. Sine alpha plus beta is sine this triangle. So for this triangle, we have sine, the opposite is, this is G and this is B, so B plus G is the opposite, and the hypotenuse is E. B plus G over E, and we can split the fraction B over E, G over E, and for B and E, you see we have B, we have E. One side which is common in both triangles with B and E would be the C, because now we have two triangles and the C is the common side, so we have to use C over C. And for G over E, we have the G and the E, the common side is D, so we multiply by D over D, and after rearranging we get B over C times C over E, G over D times D over E. B over C in the blue triangle is sine alpha. C over E in the green triangle is cos beta. G over D in the red triangle is cos alpha. D over E in the green triangle again is sine beta. So we have proven the first compound angle formula for sine alpha plus beta. Now we are copying this formula. We are using the sine alpha plus beta formula, and we also use the identities sine minus alpha equals minus sine alpha and cos minus alpha equals cos alpha. We use these formulas to prove sine alpha minus beta formula. So we can treat this minus beta here as like this angle beta, so it's actually alpha plus minus beta. So we use this exactly the same formula, but we replace the beta with minus beta, so minus beta, and cos minus beta, just ignore the minus, and for sine minus beta we have to use minus sine beta, so we have a minus here because of this minus beta going out of the angle here. And we have proven the second formula. And now using the second formula and using these basic formulas, sine 90 minus alpha is cos 90 minus alpha is sine, we can prove the cos alpha plus beta formula. Now cos alpha plus beta is the same as sine 90 minus alpha plus beta, and if we expand the minus alpha minus beta, now the 90 minus alpha here is like one angle and the minus beta is another angle, so we are using this formula, but the alpha is 90 minus alpha, so we have sine cos minus cosine, sine cos minus cosine, but the alpha is 90 minus alpha. Sine 90 minus alpha is cos 90 minus alpha is sine. We have proven the third formula, and using the third formula and again the sine minus alpha cos minus alpha formula, we prove the fourth formula, treating this subtraction as like an addition plus a negative b. So we replace the beta with negative beta. And using this fourth formula, actually using the first formula and the third formula, and the tangent equals sine over cos formula, we can prove the tangent alpha plus beta formula. So tangent alpha plus beta is sine over cos alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta, and we use the sine alpha plus beta formula, cos alpha plus beta formula, and we can just divide everything by cos alpha cos beta. And if we do that, we can cross out, cross cancel out. We have only tangent alpha. We have tangent alpha plus tangent beta. This is just 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. And using the tangent alpha plus beta formula and the tangent negative alpha, we use tangent alpha minus beta is the same as alpha plus negative beta. So we replace this beta with negative beta, negative beta. Tangent negative beta is minus tangent beta. So we have the last formula. And now for the double angle formulas. Sine alpha plus beta formula, but we replace the beta with alpha. So sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. For cos 2 alpha, we use the cos compound formula. Cos alpha plus beta is cos minus sine. So cos alpha plus alpha, we replace the beta with alpha, we have cos squared minus sine squared. And using this cos double angle formula, we have, and using the Pythagorean formula, we replace the cos squared with 1 minus sine squared, or we replace the sine squared with 1 minus cos squared. We get the other forms of the cos 2 alpha, 1 minus 2 sine squared and 2 cos squared minus 1. And the last formula, tangent double angle, we use tangent alpha plus beta. We replace the beta with alpha. We have tangent alpha plus tangent alpha, which is 2 tangent alpha times tangent alpha, tangent squared alpha. So we have derived all the formulas in MF19 using a basic trigonometry and little algebra. That's it. I'll see you again next time.